Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy Jonathan Medina, still home entrepreneur, yet again with another video. So guys, just remember, if you see me looking up, it's just because I got my big screen up here, camera down here. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick tutorial of how your business could go to a whole different level, right? So if you need engagement, you need traffic, this is a system for you. I'm gonna go ahead and just break it down how easy it is to be able to get more engagement into your business. Because nowadays, remember, without videos, your business would be on a complete standstill. Without videos, your business would be on a complete standstill. Like I said earlier, today without videos, your business is at a complete standstill. Marketers who use videos see profit 49% faster than non-video users, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just give you a tour, right, of how am I getting so many viewers and how am I getting so many people into my platform, into my business, any business opportunity that I'm doing, because now I added a new feature to my business, right, to be able to engage more people, to get more people into my business. And like I said, guys, if you want to take this business to a whole different level, man, this is the system that you want to use. This is the platform that you want to use, and I'm going to show you why. Because you'll be able to do multiple things with this business. Look, I'm gonna give you a breakthrough why it's so powerful to use the system, and then don't leave until the end, because I got something so much powerful that's gonna give you more attention to your business, and it's gonna be an automatic, how can I say, friend request system that I use that I could add over 1,500. I send over 1,500 friend requests all at one time if I like. But I do it at a certain pace so I don't get the system taken away from me, right? So I'm gonna show you that in a little bit. And not only that, you get automatic posts, automatic messages, automatic likes on people's pages. That way you don't have to keep liking everybody, and just get more engagement, get more traffic going into your business, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the platform first. That way you get a full idea of what is the Bills Club TV and why is it so powerful and why it's the talk of the internet right now. So now let me go ahead and explain to you why, because now when it comes to online marketing, it's all about videos, right? You want to attract your audience. You want to keep your audience into your platform. You want to keep your audience into your business. So what we do is that we use these kind of platforms to be able to engage with our audience and keep people attracted to our marketing, right, to our business. Because look at this first one right here, is channel 1. This channel right here is about mindset. So basically, the videos that get updated onto the platform is always about mindset, right? And it gets rotated every Sunday. So every Sunday you're gonna see the videos changing for you. You don't have to keep doing the changes for you, but you will be able to create subdomains. And I'm gonna be explaining that later. In my previous video, if you haven't seen them yet, go ahead into my YouTube, you'll be able to watch them. Go scroll down through them, you're gonna see a lot of different tutorials, different training things that I do. So now in these videos, if you see right here where it says mindset, next, people could go into your platform, right? Once they go into a landing page like this, right? Or not this one right here, because this one's more about being able to get people into the system. But so now once you get into this part right here, right, you're gonna have people going into your system, and now you're gonna be attracting them with the things that you put up, right? So now you're gonna have your face right here, your picture right here. It says, hey John, hey, it's Jonathan Medina, welcome to the show. So now when they log into your platform, onto your landing page, right, they're gonna say, hey Tony, welcome to the show, Tony, welcome to the show, Marie, welcome to the show, and so on and forth. But now once they go into your platform, they're gonna be able to go and add you on Facebook or message you on Facebook, get more information about what's going on, and your recommendation scheme of income is gonna be right here, and your personal page, because you're gonna have your own personal branded page where you'll be able to remember nowadays to gain more trust and to gain more more trust and more engagement with your audience. They need to know who you are. They need to see the person behind the website. They need to see the person behind this business opportunity. So it's always good to have your own personal branded page, right? This won't be my personal branded page where I'll be able to express myself, who I am, what is it that I do, and what is it, why am I doing what I'm doing, right? And then down below, you add all the content you want. You can do subdomains. I got everything under here, under one roof, guys, where I got my business opportunity, product videos, compensation plan, testimonials, high target audience on Facebook. This is what I'm gonna be talking to you guys about in a little bit. I got cool cars. I could put, they just click on that, it's gonna go into cool cars. I even got comedy in there. Movie trailers. You know me, a lot of people, who doesn't like to watch movie trailers, right? Grant Cardone's, who doesn't know who that dude is. He's a beast, right? And like I said, I work with a company called My Econ, where it's financial system that be able to help you fix your credit, get cash flow. And if you don't know how to do your W4 forms, We'll teach you how to do that to get more cash back from your previous job. That way you don't have to ask your boss for a raise, right? Super awesome, right? So right now they got a promo for that too. So if you want that, I'm gonna be leaving this link below, and you want to make sure that at the end of this video, when I leave this down below, you want to make sure you go into this one right here to get the system, and I'll be talking about it in a little minute, right? And then if you want to know more about the business that I work for and the team that I have, just go and click right here, so you can go ahead and go into the replay webinar, and you can watch everything that we talk about and how we're working as a team, as a family. So go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and show you something else. Let me see, where is it at? So basically, this is a powerful platform, man. I mean, guys, this is something that we put together, man. The team, our creator of this the system, man, smart guy. I bless him, man. Bless him for real, because it's good. He done made it much more easier for us to get more engagement. Remember, this is a lead magnet system. It's about getting leads and getting getting prospects and hot buyers. So I'm gonna show you how to target the right people. Now, these are all the channels that you could be able to promote with the system. All the different channels that we have that you can go ahead and brand it out there. The more people you get, the more people you get into your system. And this is a new feature that we got, the LMM chat, 24/7 chat, where they could go in there and just chat it out, talk about what's the topic every week. This topic changes. Right here, it changes every week, so that way we can keep people entertained. People comment down below down here. I'm always posting things on there. You know, I enjoy doing this. So this is a new feature that we got going on. The live right here is a live feed right here with music is constantly playing. That way we can keep our audience in our chat, enjoying the music and talking and having some fun, right? So now that's one of the powerful features we got there. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you something else. And if you don't have this right here, the web talk, guys, this is a feature you want to grab. I mean, it's free to join. It's phenomenal. You watch this video before you join, so you can see what I'm talking about, how powerful it is. It's another source of income too at the same time. So I'm going to go into the details about this system that I'm talking about. Well, guys, this right here is going to take your business to a whole different level. I already got it all set up and going for you guys. Basically, the system is going to do automatic friend requests for you. I just did this one as a test. All right, so basically, once you get here, you're gonna watch. Once you join it, you're gonna see the tutorials. They're gonna show you how to do this. I just want to do a quick video on it. So now you're gonna see right here once you get to this part where it says delay, I'm gonna put 10 seconds delay just for training purposes. I'm gonna add 10 more people into my list, right? So now all I gotta do is just hit start, and if you see my hands up here, it's gonna do all the progress for me. I found 10 people. I gotta do hit start again, and it's gonna do all the friend requests for me. I don't have to do anything. I let the system do the friend requests, and then next thing you know, boom, I got. Remember, I could send 1,000 people right now, but not all 1,000 people are going to accept my friend request, because some people are either in businesses, on vacation, the family, or sometimes they got their Facebook blocked, right? They don't even use it no more. It's an old page that they leave behind. They don't use it, so it doesn't mean that you're going to add 20 people and they're all going to join. So while that's doing progress, right? Let's go to the next one. I got it all set up for you guys, so I could do it real quick for you and give you a quick breakdown. I know a lot of you got things to do. So this call, look, I already got 20 people on this one. I had it working earlier. So this like button. So what it does is it's going to like over 100 pages at a time, but it's not going to do them back to back. I would choose the ones that do them. So just go ahead, you see how it turned blue, or the edges turn blue. See, it probably won't like that one, or they like it. Some of them will like them, some of them won't. They won't, or decide what you like. Remember, because this is working as if I'm doing it myself. So it looks like it's not a machine doing it, a system doing it, so you don't get blocked from using it, guys. And you only want to use this once in a while. You don't want to use it every day, right? You want to use it once in a while. The training's going to show you how to do all that once you're doing it. Right now, you got to take advantage of the system until Monday. It's going to be for $1. So the once after Monday, it's going to be at $47, and so forth, so forth. So now, while that's running, if you see, I'm doing all this all at one time, guys. Now, this one right here is an automatic post. So right here, this broadcast is going to be for the people that you engaged with before. This broadcast is going to get sent to them, and these are for all your new members. So right now, if I'm adding new members, so this one's the one I'm going to be using to engage my new members. I'm going to give you a breakdown. So right here, you can add multiple messages. That way, you don't look like you're spamming. You send the same message to everybody. So right here, you're going to post different messages, the before and after. So if you send 10 people, you want to make sure you send before of 11:25, because you don't want to do it by hours. The training's going to show you all that. You don't want to do it by hours, because the hours are not always accurate, because you see 2 hours. It doesn't say tell you about minutes. So you want to make sure you do it by date, and then after you send it to those people, then you want to do 10 more before a certain time. That's the way that one works. And this one right here is for all your new members that you just add onto your Facebook, those are the messages that they're gonna receive. The only people that's gonna receive this message are all new members. I said the ones that say like this, say hey to your new friend, Facebook friend. That's the message that you. But you want to always make sure that you do multiple different messages that would only look like you're spamming, right? So you do a certain like 100. Right here, I always want to keep it to like 20 or 40 at a time. You don't want to spend you don't want to send too many. The training is going to show you how to do all that. I just want to do a quick tutorial on that system of why am I getting so much results and why am I getting so much sales. So you see right here, look, it's still working. 8 people already friend requests, and you can see up here it's going to be changing by itself. I don't have to do anything. It does it all by itself, and it's going to show me at the end of the results how many people did it go through successfully. Sometimes you can put 20, you probably get 17. Sometimes there's a bunch they probably didn't have the friend request open, or they probably got it private. And it's so powerful, guys. I'm saying this is the system you want. Okay, and let me go ahead and show you something too, where this system, I just got it like I just opened this one like in October, and I already got like 740 something members on this one. My other platform already got 4,000 members. My other one I'm working on that one too, and I can open multiple pages, right? So I could be able to build my business for different niches. Because now, okay, the reason why I'm talking, okay, now I'm gonna explain to you how powerful this is, because you want to attract the right people. All right, so let me go ahead and go where's it right here. So I'm a credit repair agent, right? So now, what am I attracting? I'm a credit expert, right? So, and the training is gonna show you how to be able to attract the right people. You want to be able to attract the right people. You don't want to go ahead and if you're doing, how can I say, if you're doing lotion products, you don't want to be talking about. I mean, if you're attracting for lotion products, if you're attracting by health products, you don't want to be attracting things about cars and attracting people talking about sports and all that stuff, because they're not going to be interested in your business. So all you're doing is filling up your fan page, your Facebook page, and to people that's not interested in your business. So this page is all about people about credit. My other page is all about my other business opportunities. The other page is going to be the other business opportunity. So I'm creating a page so that way every time I do a live video or every time promotion, it's going to be attracting the right people. So imagine if I got 5,000 people that is attracted to credit repair. Bam, 5,000 people are going to be attracted to my credit repair opportunity. If I'm attracted, if I got if I talk about my system, right, the Bills Club system, I'm gonna attract marketers that are looking for a way to build their business. So my whole page is gonna be about marketers that want to build their whole business. See, that's why this is so powerful, guys. My training will blow your mind away. Join my team, and I guarantee you success. All you gotta do is just take action, and then we can take you there. Now, look at these landing pages that we do have. The way we attract our marketers. Look at, like, today, without videos, your business is at a complete standstill. Marketers who use videos see profit 49% faster than non-video users. Remember, guys, nowadays, if you don't use videos, and then now the powerful part about this is that this right here, right after it goes through the Axis, right, it's gonna go to a survey where it's gonna ask them what kind of videos they like to watch. Right, because you want to be able to keep sending them videos about inspirational, motivational, how-to, live training, interviews, and marketing tips. Because these are the type of things you want to keep sending to them, so that way you can keep them still attracted to your platform and keep going into your platform and keep going back and forth. And once they go into that, and like I said, we got different platforms, different things that work for different things. So this is gonna go into the landing page, the Bills Club lead attracting lead list building video system. It's gonna break it down to them. And we keep it simple. We don't put too much detail. We go straight into the problem. Build your business computer. Once you go in there, we're going to explain to you how to do everything. The video on top is going to show you how to be able to do all that. And like I said, we got multiple channels that you can go and promote. And the best part about it is you can just share it straight from here. I don't have to go back into Facebook or go ahead and just get the link and share it. No, I can just go right here, and I can share it through Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, Pin, anything that I have, and a whole bunch of different ones from right here. If you have any of these right here, you go ahead and send them to there. And the best part about it, let's say if I go in here, I'm gonna show you real quick. All I got to do is just wait till it loads. See how the image pops up. Go here. I can share it through a Facebook, a friend's timeline, the group, event, my personal page, fan pages, or a private message. All right, guys. So I'm gonna leave you with this. So, excuse me. If you want to go ahead and join this opportunity, join this team, leave a comment below. I'm ready. I'm gonna leave the link below, and if you join, just go ahead and let me know that you joined, so that way we can get you in the team, get you trained up, and get your business get traffic into your business. It's all about lead magnet, get traffic into your business, guys. So God bless. Hope to see you on the team, and let's take this to a whole different level, guys. Now, remember, I'm sorry for saying the guy parts. That's the way I talk. So ladies too, I'm sorry, ladies. God bless. Have a good night.